In the next few minutes, I will demonstrate how to stream live Ethereum blockchain transactions to your computer. This technique works across all major blockchains. We will start from scratch and install a digital wallet as a Chrome extension and connect it to the Synternet data layer for a subscription to all Ethereum transactions. Installing the Keplr Chrome extension takes only a minute. In Chrome, click on Settings, then Extensions, and click on the Chrome Web Store link. Search the Chrome Web Store for Keplr, and click to install the Keplr Wallet Extension. Follow the prompts to install the extension. The Keplr Wallet Extension will enable us to connect to blockchains to control new Web3 services. The projects in this sequence, for example, will allow us to direct the Synternet data layer blockchain to subscribe to and then stream live blockchain events from the major public blockchains like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, to name a few. Click. Create a new wallet to generate a recovery phrase, password, and name for your new wallet. Think of this digital wallet like a bank's safe deposit box. Your password is the everyday key, while the recovery phrase acts like a backup key the bank manager could use if you ever lost your key. In this case, if you forget your Keplr wallet password. Write down the recovery phrase on paper and follow the prompts to confirm you've securely recorded it. You'll then set a password and name for the wallet. For this demonstration on testnet, we'll show these words in the clear, but remember that in real-life usage, the recovery phrase grants anyone complete access to your digital booty. Many people secure their recovery phrase by storing the paper copy in a safe deposit box at one or more trusted banks. Now that our wallet is ready, let's connect it to the Synternet testnet blockchain. Click on the Connect Wallet button and select the Keplr wallet. Enter your Keplr wallet password and you are set. Your wallet is connected to the Synternet testnet. On the left-hand side of the portal, there is a Get 100 Amber Tokens button. These tokens serve as the energy units for all Synternet testnet activities. After clicking the button, 100 Amber tokens are added to the account on the blockchain. You can request up to 300 Amber tokens per day from the Synternet test network. With our tokens in place, we're ready to register a project and subscribe to relevant blockchain data streams. On the Synternet testnet portal, click the Register a Project button and give this project a name. Click Submit. Your registration request is submitted to the blockchain. Approve the transaction and the transaction fees for the registration. After the transaction is broadcast across the Synternet testnet, our project is ready to subscribe to blockchain data streams. On the Synternet testnet portal, click Go to Project, and you will be taken to the project page. Click Add New Stream, and you will be shown a menu of hundreds of blockchain data streams available for subscription. In the search area, we type Ethereum and subscribe to the Ethereum transaction data stream. Each gigabyte of data costs 2.5 Amber tokens, so we allocate some Amber to fund the data stream and click to approve the blockchain transaction. To preview a project's data streams, click Preview and click the Start Streaming button. This transaction is submitted to the Synternet testnet blockchain, and after 5 to 10 seconds, the associated data streams will start flowing to the screen and consuming the Amber tokens. Click Stop Streaming and click on any of the transactions to view the fields. Since we see the transaction fields, we have verified that the project has an active data stream for processing. To copy the access token, we click on the ellipse next to the project name and click Reveal Access Token. This can be set to an environmental variable on your computer. Now, we stream the project subscriptions to your computer for processing. The Docker requires the access token match the token shown in the project portal. The first Docker command starts streaming and printing blockchain events as formatted JSON. The second Docker command streams one text line per event, useful for piping active data streams into Unix commands. The last example shows how to modify and build code inside the Docker. Now on my Mac, I set my access_token environmental variable and pass it to a Docker container that subscribes to and displays our Ethereum transactions stream. Once the Ethereum transactions flow, we can view them formatted, or we can set the piped environment variable to true to process each event on the command line. This old-school technique of stepwise refinement allows us to view, pass, filter, and process the real-time flow of data using standard Unix-based command line utilities. There you have it. In about 6 minutes, we have installed a digital wallet as a browser extension and connected it to the Synternet test network blockchain. We added a project to hold a subscription to all Ethereum transactions and previewed the data flow. We then copied the access token from the portal and used it to stream the Ethereum transactions to my computer for local processing. This data layer architecture is a game changer in the crypto world because the next best alternatives would be to run your own node or engage in RPC polling for every major blockchain. Instead, the data layer allows you to simply subscribe to blockchain events and write event-driven code that reacts to the blockchain events. Happy hacking!